I came dressed, I hope appropriately. So happy to see so many familiar faces. My friend's Syed family, Asif Syed and his beautiful daughter, and he has 5 more of them, equally beautiful. And they were responsible for this beautiful suit, so I wanted to say public thank you. And not only are we honoring our friend Ahsan Zia in his family home, it is his birthday last week, and so we're here to celebrate. It is also our dear friend and colleague from Mississauga, Shahzad Haq. And only reason he's not here with us is he is at home celebrating with his family. But we honor him tonight and are thinking of him, and we're going to put him to work. That's what we need. So I see so many familiar faces. I'm going to highlight a few of you, because there are people from every community here, and not just Pakistani Muslim community, Lebanese, if you're from the Lebanese community, Turkish here, we have leaders, Nigerian, obviously the South Asian, so many leaders. And as well, we have elected people with us, Nadeem Zia, who is here from beautiful Ward 5, which once upon a time, it brought me to Municipal Council as well. I'm so proud of her and the work that she is doing, and I guess we're the 2 blondes in the room tonight. That's fun. And we will see each other on Saturday. I hope you will all come. We have the Peel Region Barbecue on Saturday.
Honestly speaking, at start, I was so worried if we failed, what would happen? But our energetic team, our energetic captains did so well, and at the end, we went around 200 delegates.
Wow.
So thank you very much to everyone who participated with us and made this big achievement. And now I would like to invite Bonnie Crombie, who is our Ontario Liberal leader, and hopefully in very near future, she'll be the Premier of Ontario.
This evening, and to support Bonnie as she continues to work forward on building a better Ontario Liberal Party.
ऐसा उसके इन्होंने अपने घर के बैक खूबसूरत बैकयार्ड में बड़ा एक 100-150 के करीब बंदे इकट्ठे किए हैं। आज इनसे बात करते हैं। बताइए आज का क्या मकसद है?
देखिए जी, आज का मकसद सिर्फ ये है कि मॉर्निंग क्रॉम्बी जो है उनकी हमारी कम्युनिटी के अंदर मीट एंड ग्रीट करवाया जाए और पार्टी की जो आउटरीच है उसको बहुत ज़्यादा वास्ट किया जाए और ग्रास रूट लेवल पे लोगों के साथ कनेक्ट किया जाए। और हम इंशाल्लाह देख रहे हैं कि 2029 में बोनी ही जो है वो प्रीमियर ऑफ ओंटारियो बनेगी। उसके लिए
जैसा कि आपने बताया कि आज यहाँ पे मीट एंड ग्रीट है पार्टी की लीडर बॉनी क्रॉम्बी के साथ, और इसका मकसद ये है कि बॉनी क्रॉम्बी जो है वो चाहती है कि ग्रास रूट लोगों से मिलना, उनका फीडबैक लेना और चीज़ें जो है कैसे चल रही हैं ऑन द ग्राउंड, और वो जो सुनना चाहती हैं फर्स्ट हैंड लोगों से कि क्या इश्यूज़ हैं और क्या मज़ीद कोई ऐसा फीडबैक है कि जिसको
एक सेकंड में
पूरा बड़ा शर्ट बड़ा ही आपने जो कॉज दिया
जी मदर
जी सर वो क्या एक चीज़
ये बेसिकली इस सिलसिले का हिस्सा है कि बॉनी क्रॉम्बी जो हैं वो डाइवर्सिटी को समझते हैं। उन्हें पता है कि GTA में एक नहीं कई अक़वाम बसती हैं, कई ज़बानें बोलने वाले लोग मौजूद हैं, कई डायलेक्ट्स हैं। तो उनकी कामयाबी का हमेशा राज ये रहा है कि उन्होंने किसी एक कम्युनिटी पे हिसाब नहीं किया।
बड़े गहरे दोस्त हैं बच्चों की तरह। शेख भाई आप
इरफान भाई, सबसे पहले आपका और टोरंटो का 360 टीवी का शुक्रिया और खासतौर पर सादे भाई आपका भी शुक्रिया। देखें आज आपको पता है कि बोनी आपकी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त भी है और बहुत पुरानी, आपने बहुत ज़्यादा उसकी सपोर्ट करी। तो आज मुझे एहसान भाई ने ख़ास तौर पे भाई रिक्वेस्ट करी कि आज आपने आना है। मैं ख़ास तौर पे आपको पता है कि वो ब्रैम्पटन सुपर लीग की वजह से मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी रहता हूँ, तो मैं ज़्यादातर क्रिकेट में अपनी तवज्जो दिया हूँ।
which we are supporting. It shows a lot of courage. Now, this is not acceptable. Hate has no place in our communities, in our cities, and you must feel safe and secure to pray in your place of worship in the mosques and the masjids. Now, we're also very proud, I know many of you of Brampton and beyond, that you will all remember, I always say,
Birthday, dear Ahsan. Happy birthday to you.
We will do the photo session later on.
Fantastic. Okay.
You can put it there so after that, so we can start again.
I will ask Mr. Ahsan to come and start the program, please.
Okay, next one, Shafiq bhai.
Action. Okay. So by the way, so these are friends of. Okay. You have to spare time for us, please. These are we are communities guys. So this is our group. We are community guys.
Okay. Turn around and this group, please.
Okay.
Gotta look up though.
Raz bhai.
ally and trading partner, handed it to them on a silver platter because he threatened a trade war and tariffs. So they use this. They use this to justify an unnecessary and an expensive election. And when you look at it, at the same time, this is when we had the federal leadership as well. Our former prime minister had stepped down, and now we had a leadership race. And many of us, many of you and others took part. And it left us a little bit because it was exciting to work for a new prime minister. And here we are trying to fight an election. There was a leadership vacuum federally because of the leadership race. And what happened? Our premier saw this as an opportunity as well. Well, salam alaikum, everyone. I came dressed, I hope appropriately. So happy to see so many familiar faces. My friends, Syed family, Asif Syed and his beautiful daughter, and he has 5 more of them, equally beautiful, and they were responsible for this beautiful suit. So I want to.
Birthday, dear Ahsan. Happy birthday to you.
We will do the photo session later on.
Fantastic. Okay.
You can put it there so after that, so we can start again.
I will ask Mr. Ahsan to come and start the program, please.
Yes.
One,